Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sikandar Ali. I am businessman. I sell dupatta, chundri, lot of things. If I talk about my home, my profession, so do you know I am businessman. I live in Mumbai, India since 2000. So guys, uh, but today I would say that today I am not a businessman. I am your friend. Today I am your friend. I want to tell you some important story and truth story. Okay. When I started to learn English, I when I started speak English for learn speak English, I faced many challenges. I was nervous. I had shy. I had many fears. I thought, what if say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? So I face little bit nervous. I was faced at that time little bit nervous. What if people means what if people laugh at me? So guys, I know how you feel. I was there too at that time. I was feeling bad. I was shy. So, but nowadays I did clear. I am able to talk. Okay, how is possible? Do you know? I talk every day. I am consistent. Without consistency, you can't learn any language. You can't achieve any goal. You have to be consistency first of all. So that's why guys, I want to say you today, I am not a businessman. I am your friend. You can learn with me lot of valuable thing. If you can ask anything about business, if you ask me anything about learn speak English, how can success, how can learn speak English. So I'm able to tell you right manner. Okay. So guys, when I started to learn speak English at that time, I was uh, I don't know anything at all at that time. I would say that maybe 1 years ago. But now I am able to talk in English because I am consistency. Consistency is big matter our language, our successful. So if you want to learn anything, you have to be consistency first of all. Then you can learn easily. So I am businessman, but I am very curious to learn speak English. That's why I am here. So guys, when I started to learn speak English, I faced too much fear. Okay, sometime heavy breathing, sometime I know easily I make mistake, I can mistake, but no need to worry. Suppose that if anybody suppose that anybody told you you can't speak learning, you are not able to talk in English, so you should not care there, because you should not afraid to other criticism. Okay, you should believe self. I am able to talk. Why not I can I am not able to talk. Why not I am able to learn? I will learn. If you have a strong intent, then you can do anything. Indian people has a lot ability. Indian people can do everything. But guys, if you learn 1 month, 2 months, then you give up for learning speak English. So you can't achieve any goal, you can't success. So guys, uh, I want to say you consistency is a big matter. Okay, so you should start. If you want to learn speak English, you should start gradually. No need to speak a long sentence, big sentence. A small, you should start to a small sentence. Uh, you can go, you can come. I will eat. I will go outside. So you should start little bit. A star a small sentence you should start. So and second, if you want to learn speak English, you should humming anytime. You should humming anytime. Then anytime inside you should talk. uh, I want to eat, I want to sleep, I want to go. So anytime you should talk, self talking. Then gradually will be increase your knowledge. Okay, one day you will be able to talk anyone. But if you face fear, if you feel bad, oh my god, I will not able to talk, you can't learn. So first of all guys, I want to tell you, practice is most important. You have to talk every day. You have to learn every day. You should talk every day. You should conversation every day. You should recognize every day. You should read every day. You should write every day. So four thing is most important. I would say that writing, reading, and listening and talking. Talking is most important. Okay, you have to talk every day, minimum 30 minutes, 20 minutes. You can say, I talk every day 1 hour morning time. I go for work. So while going, while coming, I utilize time. I talk every day. I conversation every day each other. So guys, I would say that if you are curious to learn speaking English, you should give minimum 1 hour for learn speaking English. Okay, and second, you should not afraid to other criticism. Okay, so if you believe me, you can learn easily, you can talk English easily, you can become success easily. I am not talking about only for learn speaking English. If you want to become a businessman, do you know I have been as a business since 1990. I did complete 35 years. So I have a lot knowledge about business. If you want to know about business, if you want to some valuable tips, you can connect me. If you are jobless, you haven't any work, you if you connect me, I will give valuable suggestion, because nowadays my younger lot of younger jobless. So guys, if you connect me, if you comment me, then I will give good suggestion. Okay, because do you know I share many time when my age 13 year, at that time I did start business. Nowadays I am 50 year. Okay, I don't like job. I didn't job entire life. I did always business. So I face many problems. I face many. I can't say everything between 20 minutes, 10 minutes, but I face many problems in life in the life. But nowadays I am success because hard work is important. Okay. If you want to become a businessman, basically point you should know basic knowledge if you know basic knowledge, then you can be success. If you want to learn speak English, basic grammar must important. Same there, if you want to become businessman, basic knowledge must important, then you will be success in the business. Otherwise you will be failed. If you don't know a basic grammar, how can talk, how can conversation, how can grow your knowledge. So basically grammar, if you want to learn speak English, basic grammar is much important. Same business, some basic knowledge is much important. If you go random, if you open one shop, if you have money you will go, it is not will be good, you will be fail. You should know basic knowledge. Okay. Without basic knowledge you can't become a good businessman. Okay. So guys, if you connect me, if you comment me, I will give a very valuable point about business. So, but nowadays my focus is how can become a good speaker, how can talk fluency, how can become fluent, how can take much more confidence in English. So, guys, uh, as you know, I am 50. I haven't a good education. I did classes. So, guys, but if you know basic point, you can learn speak English, you can learn every language. If you know basic business point, you can become a good businessman. But basic knowledge is much important. Without basic knowledge, I will do that. I will say don't do anything. Basic knowledge is much important. I tell you again, if you want to learn speak English, basic grammar important. Past, present, and future. I will go. I can three things: past, future. I will not go. Basic grammar is important. Same. I I would I would say about business. Basic knowledge is much important. So guys, thank you. Will be long. I upload every day new video, new topic. So you should say my you should say my video. If you are watching my video, thank you for that. Thank you so much. I will upload tomorrow new video. Thank you. Thank you guys.